Toyota Land Cruiser Prado 250. Welcome to the future of off-roading, the new 6th-generation Land Cruiser Prado. In North America, the new Land Cruiser Prado will be available in 2024, with a starting price of around $55,000. The production of these vehicles will take place at 2 factories in Japan. Toyota has brought our dreams to life by introducing a revolutionary car with a retro style and cutting-edge technology. It impresses with its unique design, comfort, and power. You can choose between a utilitarian style with unpainted bumpers and a fabric interior, or a modern hybrid option, the iForce Max, powered by a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine. There's no longer a manual transmission. Now the driving experience is even smoother. Platform and chassis. This vehicle epitomizes strength and technology. It is based on the advanced TNGA-F platform, which is also used in the Toyota Land Cruiser 300 and Lexus LAX. With an increased wheelbase of 2850 mm, it gains stability, while the additional 100 mm in length and 95 mm in width make it powerful and imposing. The new Prado J250 is equipped with 18 or 20-inch wheels, providing unparalleled off-road control. The frame has become 50 stiffer, resulting in a 30s increase in overall rigidity, ensuring reliability in any condition. The front suspension has been upgraded with double wishbones and twin-tube dampers, while the rear solid axle is suspended on spiral springs. With its electric power steering, large 432 mm brake discs, and separate front stabilizer, driving the Prado J250 is an unforgettable experience. The KD system is a thing of the past, but the new Prado is ready to overcome any obstacle with a ground clearance of 220 mm, approach angles of 30 or 31 degrees depending on the trim, and a departure angle of 22 degrees. Interior and equipment. The interior of this SUV embodies the art of comfort and style. The upper part of the front panel is made of incredibly soft plastic, giving a sense of luxury, while the lower part is covered in durable rubberized plastic for longevity and resilience against damages. The Prado offers you a choice between 2 and 3-row configurations, creating an astonishing space for either 5 or 7 passengers. The instrument panel now features virtual displays, and the multimedia system is adorned with an 8.0 or 12.3-inch screen, inviting you into the world of cutting-edge technology. Immerse yourself in comfort with comfortable seats and fingertip adjustments. The front panel is rich in buttons and switches, preserving the traditional gear selector. But this is just the beginning. The base model of the SUV offers you a multimedia system with an 8-inch touchscreen and 6 speakers, a fabric interior, and manual seat adjustments. For those seeking additional convenience, options include a heated steering wheel and seats, wireless charging for your gadgets, and even a 2400-watt ACT inverter. Please make your choice between the 3-row 7-seater variant, the multimedia system with a 12.3-inch touchscreen, heads-up display, digital rear-view mirror, ventilation, and electric adjustments for the front seat. The second and third row seats can be easily folded, creating a flat platform for your cargo space. This Land Cruiser Prado is not just a vehicle, it is your personal oasis of comfort and satisfaction. Engines. The new Prado offers a wide range of powertrains, but there is no longer a choice between a manual transmission and a V6 engine. Now only 4-cylinder engines are available. The base engine is a 2.7-liter naturally aspirated gasoline engine, the 2 model, 163 horsepower, 246 Newton meters, which works with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This version is intended for Japan and Eastern Europe. The main engine will be the familiar 2.8 liter turbocharged diesel engine. The unmatched FTV model, 204 horsepower, 500 Newton meters. Depending on the market, it will be available with a 6-speed or 8-speed or 8-speed automatic transmission. In 2025, this diesel engine will be available in a hybrid version based on a 48-volt starter generator. The diesel Prado will be able to tow trailers weighing up to 3.5 tons. For the markets of Eastern Europe and the Middle East, a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine from the 24FF series is offered. 281 horsepower and 430 Newton meters, which works with an 8-speed automatic transmission. For North America and China, a full hybrid version called I-Force Max is produced, based on this turbocharged engine and an integrated 8-speed transmission with an electric motor producing 49 horsepower. The total system power is 330 horsepower and 630 Newton meters. However, the modest 1.87 kilowatt-hour traction battery does not allow the SUV to move without activating the internal combustion engine. Full drive. All Land Cruiser Prado vehicles are equipped with full-time 4-wheel drive with a center differential, a 2-speed transfer case, and 2 lockers. Prado features standard center and rear differential lock. You won't have to pay extra for the cruise control mode, hill descent control assistant, and off-road factory settings, which now operate even when low range is engaged. You can also choose the option of a front stabilizer bar disconnect system for improved suspension performance, as well as an advanced surround view system with a transparent hood function. The new Prado is equipped with automatic high beams, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, pedestrian and traffic sign recognition, blind spot monitoring and cross-traffic collision warning system.